Welcome to another video. We're going to see how to convert a video to cartoon, so we're going to use a tool for it. On Google, type in Morph Studio, and click Search. So this is it, so you click on it. Click on Get Started to create an account. We're going to use our Google account. Click Continue with Google account. Proceed, and click Continue. So we're now officially in the Morph Studio dashboard. Morph gives free 150 credit daily. So, we are now going to convert a video to cartoon. Click on Video Style Transfer, click on Choose File. To upload a video file. So, we proceed with the upload. The upload is now ongoing, it will take some seconds. The upload is complete. You can tweak video with the settings on the left. Let's proceed. Click on Stylize. The rendering is ongoing. Let's see how it comes out. It will take a while before the process is finally complete. A key feature of Morph Studio is that of the 150 free daily credit. It takes 50 or 60 credits to convert a video to a cartoon. The free 150 credit renews daily. So as you can see, it has created a cartoon from that video. Let's download it here and do a comparison of both. So now I'm going to compare the initial video and the video that we converted to cartoon. So let's see. This is the video. This initial video we uploaded. So let's see the cartoon video. So as you can see, the video has converted to a cartoon. So that's how to convert your video to cartoon. So thank you for watching. Kindly like, share or subscribe to our channel.